everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here or stumbled upon this video because you want to learn how to make a patacón at home, welcome. So a patacón is just a plantain sandwich that is made out of green plantains, and we're going to cook them the same way we'd cook tostones. And on the inside, today we're going to fill it in with some grilled chicken, some sauteed onions, avocado, tomatoes, cabbage, cheese, fried cheese, a whole bunch of delicious things. Let's get started. Let's take a quick look at what your patacón sandwich should look like at the end. Now let's get to the shopping list. Grab a drink, stay hydrated. I'm going to enjoy a black cherry White Claw today. Cheers! We're going to place olive oil in one pan for the chicken and a lot more oil in the other for the plátanos. Let's start with the chicken. It's been marinating overnight with Loaiza's adobo, but we're going to add a few more things to it. So grab your black pepper, your pink Himalayan salt, and your garlic paste. And we're going to mix it all up and put it to the side. Let's peel these plátanos. Slice the skin gently on two sides and gently lift up to peel away. These plantains have been in the fridge for a while, so they're a bit tougher to peel right now because they're cold. Place it under warm water to loosen up the skin. I'm using a knife to peel away all the skin that I can't lift up with my hands, and you always want to remove any traces of the skin. If not, it'll turn black while you're cooking it. Cut it right down the middle, and we're going to place it in our pan with oil. Once you see that it's golden like that on the bottom, you can begin to flip these, and we're going to rotate them on all sides until they're golden. I didn't want to deep fry them, so I'm cooking them on a medium to low heat so it doesn't burn but cooks as much as possible all the way through. And cook it on all sides. For the chicken, rotate your chicken, cook them as you normally would. I used a cast iron grill press just to push down on it a little bit more and get the color that I want. Now that the plátanos are golden throughout, let's prepare to smash them. I'm using a baking sheet to place the plantain in between it so it doesn't stick to the two boards. Smash gently front, back, left, right. You'll see that the middle is a pale yellow, and that's okay. We're going to refry them all. I'm using a small chopping board because it's flat and the perfect size for this, but you can also use a medium round pot or anything with a flat surface to press down. Now let's prepare the cheese. I'm using tropical frying cheese, queso de freír. I'm slicing them in thin pieces and patting them dry with a napkin to remove all the liquid so it won't splatter as much when you go to fry them. We're going to fry these in the same pan that we use for the plátanos. You see that they're golden on the bottom? Flip them over. When they're done, place them to the side. Now let's chop our toppings. I'm starting with the white onion and I'm going to saute them with the chicken. Then I'm going to slice and chop up the red cabbage, the tomatoes, and the avocado. It's time to stack your patacón. Place the smoother side down and spread mayo on one end and ketchup on the other. Then add your grilled chicken, the fried cheese, your sauteed onions, red cabbage, tomatoes, avocado, and smush it all together. Now enjoy! If you make this at home, feel free to tag me at Jasmine Isabel. Would love to see it. And remember to share your dish recommendations in the comments.